Ariel, an adventurous young girl with wind-tangled hair, drifted in her small kayak over the moonlit water. Beside her, Dora, a wise old sea turtle with a shell etched by time, bobbed quietly in the shadows, her emerald eyes reflecting kaleidoscopic patches of light from the ocean below. That evening, the lagoon was different. The usual chorus of songfish was gone, and the air felt empty. Ariel missed the sound like she missed a heartbeat. She trailed her fingers in the still water, whispering, "Where did their music go?" Suddenly, a faint, silvery note shimmered beneath the surface, an underwater current singing a lonely tune. Ariel listened close. Dora, sensing her friend's curiosity, nodded solemnly. Without another word, they slipped beneath the surface, drawn by the glimmers and the whispered song. They entered a maze of glowing caves beneath the lagoon, walls shimmering with soft blues, greens, and purples. The current rushed ahead, spiraling through chambers where schools of lanternfish danced in its wake. Ariel held her breath as she and Dora twisted and turned through the labyrinth. Each corner swelled with promise, the current's melody gaining courage. As they reached the heart of the cave, they discovered an enormous stone shell, half open, with the current darting between its lips. The source of the melody was trapped inside, muffled by weeds. Ariel realized, the missing songfish were ensnared in the shell's dark embrace, unable to sing. Dora, wise and ancient, pressed gently against the shell. Ariel sang the softest lullaby she remembered, her voice mingling with the fragile notes leaking from the shell. The weeds loosened, their grip weakening with every note. With a final surge, the shell opened wide. Songfish streamed out in a torrent of color and music, swirling around Ariel and Dora. Their harmonies threaded through the water and echoed up through the lagoon, restoring the melody that had been lost.